In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use conditional branching paths for task routing in Hermes Agent. Conditional branching allows Hermes Agent to make decisions based on specific conditions and route tasks down different paths automatically. To get started, open a new session and define the logic you want the agent to follow. For example, you can instruct Hermes Agent to send support tickets to one workflow, sales inquiries to another workflow, and technical issues to a dedicated troubleshooting process. The agent evaluates the input, checks the conditions you've defined, and then routes the task to the appropriate branch. This helps automate decision-making and ensures each request is handled by the correct workflow without manual intervention. Conditional branching is especially useful for customer support, lead qualification, content review, and multi-step automation processes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.